Here I have VODAFONE Smart Platinum 7, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So first of all, you will have to turn this device off, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for a few seconds. After the screen turns on, you can release power key, and that's how you enter boot mode. Here at the boot mode, you can use volume keys to navigate through the menu and power key to select options, and here you have such options as Start, Restart bootloader, Recovery mode and Power off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.